Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to our supervisor, Dr. Rusmaizura, and our examiner, Dr. Professor Ashley Zan. We are from Group SAL 30 and today we will be presenting on a poster of the topic Factors Influencing the Students' Acceptance of E-Learning at University Malaysia Kelantan City Campus. My name is Nurdina Kristina binti Juri. My matrix number is A19A0663. Abstract. E-learning can be defined as a teaching model that promotes access to knowledge through a digital platform or environment. In this study, several factors have been analysed to find out about students' acceptance of e-learning around UMK. The main objective and purpose of this research is to gain knowledge of the extent to which students' acceptance of e-learning in University Malaysia Kelantan City Campus through factors that are influenced, which is cost effectiveness, lecturer characteristics, system quality, perceived usefulness, and the utility available of facilities. Introduction. Problem statement. Lack interaction with a clear way of communicating between faculty, lecturers, and students. 69.5% of the students at either university in Malaysia felt burdened when taking online courses, while 30.5% of the students felt unburdened using the e-learning method approach. This is the research objective for our research. Scope of studies. Researchers will focus on the factors influencing the students' acceptance of e-learning system at University Malaysia Kelantan City Campus, Kota Baru, Kelantan. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Nasruddin. My matric number is A19A0304. I will explain about literature review and method and methods. This chapter briefly review the literature of the dependent and independent variables. The independent variable consists about the cost effectiveness, lecturer characteristics, system quality, perceived usefulness, and the utility of available facilities. Thus, the dependent variable is the student's acceptance of e-learning. This chapter also includes the hypothesis statement and conceptual frameworks regarding the factor that student acceptance of e-learning. Next, I will explain about material and methods that we use. In this study, researcher using primary data and secondary data to gather information needed for the study. The primary data in this survey were collected through a Google form. The secondary data is used by researchers to find and adapt the concept and theory that is relevant to this research.
I will explain about the result summary of the means and standard deviations. The highest means for independent variable, which is perceived usefulness, was recorded 4.2596 and for dependent variable recorded with 4.2651. Secondly, the summary of actual reliability statistics shows that the highest value of 0.779, which aimed for the utility of available facilities, but for dependent variable has been concluded with 0.832. Therefore, the internal of the question for this section is good and reliable. Furthermore, the result of the correlation analysis, the highest correlation value, which is perceived usefulness, with 0.788. So we can conclude that our hypothesis was high positive correlations. Lastly, summary of multiple linear regressions analysis between all the independent variable and dependent variable were accepted because significant value of p-value was less than 0.5.
Hi, my name is Amin Hussaini bin Ibrahim. My matric number is A19A0042. I'm going to continue to present with the conclusion part. Perceived usefulness is the highest factor because student certification depends on how they use e-learning. Lecturer characteristic is the second highest factor. The system quality on the e-learning platform can reduce the pressure on students. Cost effectiveness through the e-learning is able to generate creative and innovative thinking. Lastly, the utility of available facility has significant relationship with student acceptance of e-learning because has Wi-Fi and complete ICT facility. The researcher hopes that all information provided throughout these issues can help further expand to the use of e-learning among students because it's very potential and effective if given special attention. For the next, I will present about the acknowledgement. First and foremost, we would like to thank you to Supervisor Dr. Rusmaizura binti Muhammad Zain, Lecturer of the Faculty of Entrepreneurship and Business at the University Malaysia Kelantan. She is a constant source of information, passion and support for us in the final year's research paper. After that, I want to say thank you to my friend that can spare their time to fill in Google Form to be our good respondent for us. Last but not least, we also feel thankful to our family with their mental support and their understanding made us complete this research paper in good environment. Thank you.